started looking to use CMiC mainly because it was going to give us one platform that we were going to be able to utilize for all of our different lines of business. The company was growing at a 20 to 30% clip, and we just weren't able to keep up doing all the manual inputs that we were doing with the other system. We had some GL software. We did a lot of things on Excel, job cost reports, change orders, contingency authorizations, and then billing was on a totally other separate platform, which none of them talk to each other. Where we've seen the most value delivered is really to our guys in the field. So our guys in the field now have that real-time information. They're on the same platform that the people in the office are on. In the past, we had probably 30-day wait time in order to get those real-time numbers to the guys in the field. And now they have those instantaneously. You put in a PO, your committed cost is updated automatically. So they have real-time information to make their decisions in the field. It just gives us a lot of efficiencies that we didn't have in the past. We feel good about our decision to go with CMiC. CMiC gives us a cloud-based platform that we think is right for our company. It's allowed us to implement modules that we needed to on the front end, but as we continue to grow, it also gives us the flexibility to add payroll, also gives us the opportunity to implement workflow so that we can reduce the amount of paper that runs between us and the field. I would recommend CMiC to other businesses. The only thing I would just say is that each business is unique, and so you really need to take the time to work with the solutions team at CMiC and see if it's going to be the right fit for you. But I will say their team is very good, very open and honest about the capabilities of their product. But yeah, I would highly recommend using them in the future.